Well, if you're me and you're in my life right now, then I'm doing these videos on these faces, and you know, here's one here. What I'm actually here to show you today is not this photo, although that's interesting and that's coming up in an upcoming video very soon. I wanted to take you on a quick journey with, you know, here I am in Montana, and all of these photos I have to thank Mathew for. This was the September 2021, and we're actually on Ice Mountain, I do believe. But here, if you're me, of course, it's real easy to see a face here with this eye right here. And this nose right here. And, you know, down here is his mouth. And there might be somebody here next to him as well. You can almost see the teeth right here. But here's the neckline. These are all just crazy Montana megalith photos. We're just walking through, and all of these are in sequence from what Mathew just took. Here's another photo of my backside, and here can be seen a couple of eyes in this rock wall, and the lighting's not very good, but here it is. The cat's eye is right here in the center. Look at this shape right here, coming around, and it is hard to catch this, but look at this shape right here coming around here, and this coming to the top. It's like the cat's eye. And right over here there's another eye right here. Look at this. It's the center of the cat's eye. Look at the shape here. These eyes, we called this Ice Mountain, but that's not really here what I'm here to show you. I'm here to prove to you that there are faces in Montana. And look at this wall, my friends. Look at this. This is, I'm not sure what his name is, but he has, you know, what's left of his companion is here on this side. But you can clearly see this face. Look, here's his eye. And his nose. And his mouth.